Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Noble Speed Scrub 300. The Speed Scrub 300 is a walk-behind battery-powered machine, featuring up to a 24-inch cleaning path with up to a 30-inch squeegee assembly, 11-gallon solution tank, and 14-gallon recovery tank, making all your jobs a breeze. This unit also features a traction drive for increased productivity, simple and intuitive controls to minimize training, and an estimated runtime of up to 3.8 hours, making the Noble Speed Scrub 300 a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit is covered under a dead on arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.